Large payload. The robot arm is about 15 kg. Maximum payload 3 kg. High efficiency. Maximum joint speed 180 degrees per second. Easy to use. Support handheld teaching and graphic programming. HITBOT 6-axis robot arm is lightweight and space-saving. Maximum joint speed 180 degrees per second, which makes it move quickly between multiple tasks. Handheld teaching and graphic programming effectively reduce the application threshold and learning cost. With graphical operating page, even those with no programming experience can quickly learn to operate the robot arm. HITBOT 6-axis robot arm is compact but powerful. Maximum payload of S622 is 3 kg. Working range up to 622 mm. The end joint is infinitely rotatable, which gives it the flexibility to automatically handle almost any manual task in narrow space. Ideal for lightweight assembly and screwing tasks. The robot features collision detection, allows for custom collision level, and safe collaboration with personnel. The robotic arm is highly integrated with gearbox, motor and encoder, making it easy to deploy in multiple applications. Graphical software operation page. Just click on the software buttons to set up the robot arm. Delegate complex tasks to the robot with integrated force and torque sensors and a repeatable positioning accuracy of 0.02 mm. Through handheld teaching and programming, the robotic arm can help to perform tasks accurately.